Hello and welcome to another edition of Beer Dead Speed Reviews. We're going to continue doing the last three Sinnister Brew Co.'s 7 Seas series, and we are going to look at this one next. And this is Sinnister Brew's 7 Seas Pacific Ocean Imperial Stout. There we go. This is Heaven Hill Barrel Aged with Tonka, coconut and vanilla. It was canned in May 23 and it's best before May 28. Says all that on the bottom there. Now, ABV there used to say 11.2, but as I've said in the previous videos, it was assayed wrong, and it's actually around about 13%. It may even be a little bit higher. It says on the back, gypsy brewed, barrel aged, and canned at Otherworld Brewing in Dalkeith, Scotland. This is part of a series of 7 Imperial Stouts aged in different barrels using the same base beer, tasting of baking spices, almonds, vanilla, coconut and chocolate that has been barrel aged for over 14 months in Heaven Hill bourbon barrels with the dreaded Tonka beans, Tahitian vanilla pods and toasted coconut. Wow. Enjoy the Pacific. The name of this series was thought by Paul Newton of beerprime.co.uk. A beer podcast worth a check out, and of course the excellent artwork was done by the awesome Chris Snowden.com. Sorry. This delicious Imperial Stout is ready to be drunk now, but it will age quite happily and evolve into something else over time. Share with a mate and serve at any temperature. That's what it says on the back. There. Can art, again, they've all been the same can. Really, it's the Dalkeith dude getting attacked by a giant octopus with raised. If you can see these raindrops, they're raised. Got a bit of texture in the label. Anyway, let's pop it off and see what we've got. Oh, quite a bit of smoke off there. Let's get the glass. Let's go for it, eh? Let's get it all in. Let's go mental. So, beer in a glass, so what have we got? We've got a beer that's got absolutely no head on it whatsoever. That just looks like really black water. Any light getting through? Absolutely none whatsoever. But the beer is proper. That's proper jet black. You give it a bit of a swirl, you do get a nice alcohol rim, a bit of legs on it, tanned legs. Let's get the nose, see what we can smell. Oh, wow, huge amount of coconut. Booze, the bourbon comes shining through. Chocolate, toffee. It smells sweet. It smells a little bit creamy, almost like a bounty, but then that Tonka bean aroma comes through as well. Right, let's go for the body and carb. Cheers. Oh, that's lovely. That is beautiful. Medium bodied, velvety smooth, oily and slick. Carbonation is nil. Absolutely no carbonation to that at all. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right, let's go for the big taste. Cheers. That's excellent. That is excellent. There's a tingle on the tip of my tongue, and that is a tingle from the bourbon barrel, the Heaven Hills barrel. It's like an alcohol tingle. I've got a warming sensation here, here, and here. Chocolate, caramel, loads of coconut. The tonka bean is starting to build up, and it reminds me of one of the Brew Yorks, one of the Brew York Tonkokos, the barrel aged Tonkokos that they do. It's absolutely fantastic. Really is good. I've got a warmer feeling here now as well as it's travelled up. Oh, that's really good. That's stunning. That's the best one so far. That. Oh, it's making me nose run. Oh, that's gorgeous. The barrel aged, the Heaven Hills bourbon alcohol feel that you get is not massive. It's big, but it's not unbearable like some of the earlier ones I did. Got it posted in September. At the start of September, the 4th or 5th, wasn't it? 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th it was. Some of them were really rough. This is dead smooth. It's a big drink. It doesn't hide. It doesn't try and hide it with sweetness or anything. It's just beautiful. That tongue bean is still there. Coconut is still there. Chocolate's gone, but then it's been overtaken by the tonka. The alcohol from the bourbon barrel, I say from the Heaven Hills, is still floating around. Oh, it's great. It is really, really good. That's excellent. Right, so Sinnister Brew from Dalkeith in Scotland. Oh, excuse me. This is their 7 Seas Pacific Ocean Imperial Stout at 13%. Do I like it? Oh, yeah, absolutely. Would I buy this again? Yes. Would I recommend this to friends? Yes, I would. It's lovely. If you've had this beer, sorry about that. If you've had this beer, let me know what you think. Please put a little comment in the comments box below. I will put a link to the Sinnister, the Sinnister Brew website. You can't buy these on the website, but there's a list of shops where you can get them. The original 4, the beer I got for me from Priesttown in Preston. These 3 I got from Prost in Bevington. Do that for the video. Do that if you don't. Subscribe in this bottom corner here, and I'll see you on the next one. This is bloody good. It really is. So, do what makes you happy. Hail.